Hello from FunTBH, new video, and this time it will be video about Windows 10 and Windows 11 most important tips you should know if you don't know. So if you're interested to see it, stay with me and watch till end. Thank you in advance. So first step you should know who logging on your computer and what accounts are active at your computer, and by running this command you see enabled accounts on your computer, but I more like to go in advanced settings to check all user accounts on your computer by clicking on each of them and selecting properties. You can see details like if it is account enabled or disabled or so. If you are suspicious that someone else using your computer on remotely or at your job or whatever, this is the way how you check for all active accounts at your computer. Same way applies on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is how to run command prompt with administrative privileges, and we're going to use it. So start command prompt with administrative privileges, type sfc. That will show you all switches you can use with that command to do specific jobs on your computer. So run sfc space / scan now. That command will run full scan on all system files, and if necessary will update specific system file with a healthy version of same file. You need internet connections when you're running this command. It's a very good command to use in a situation when your computer starts behaving strangely with crashing and many other bad things. And it's good to know that this command working on both Windows 10 and Windows 11 on same way. Did you know that everything you install on your computer, every application, almost every application, leave trace on your computer as some part of it, or whole application to start automatically with your Windows when Windows starting. This is the way how to disable. You call Task Manager by pressing simultaneously 3 keys, Control, Alt and Delete. Press those 3 keys together and Task Manager will be open, as you was able to see on the screen. And here in this tab you see now it's safe to disable everything, but please do not play with services. If you don't know what you're doing, you can screw up your computer totally if you disable wrong services. And of course it's same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. But regarding services, there is a bit safer method to disable unneeded services. Use run command and type msconfig. New window will pop up. In that window, click on Services tab and then in the lower left corner check box where it say Hide Microsoft Services. This will hide all Microsoft services, and services you see on the screen are most likely safe to disable. Still, you can disable some wrong services like your security software if you use third-party antivirus software, or something else which you like to have enabled. But try to check what services belong to what application, and then decide if you going to disable it or not. And again, it is absolutely same thing on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. Nesting can help laptop users with small SSD drives to save some space on their drives. So if you follow steps on the screen, you're going to enable yourself to see hidden files on your drive. So check the hyperfill file on your hard drive, how much space it taking. On laptop, hibernation can be useful, but on desktop you truly don't need, if you're using SSD drive, you don't need hibernation, because Windows boot up really fast. Then open administrator command prompt and type command you see on the screen that will disable hibernation on your computer and automatically will delete that file, which is usually big, more than few gigabytes. And it is same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And this is to address advices you can pick on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, how to activate your Windows which is not activated by using registry editor and modifying some keys, exactly one key in registry editor. What I want to say, if you do it, I'm doing it right now, and after restart your computer, message on the screen Windows not activated will be gone. You will not see it anymore, but remember, check this. As you see on my screen, there is no activation message in the lower right corner, but if you check for real status of your Windows, you will see that it's still not activated. That is just display thing. You changed, you modified key for desktop background watermark to be removed. Again, press Windows R and type power cfg.cpl into run command to get into power configuration window. And for what it's good, it's by default Windows always installed with balanced setup for your computer, but maybe you want maximum performance from your computer, so here you're going to switch to ultimate performance, which will bring you to higher level of performance. Most likely to the maximum what your computer can give to you. So if you want to do that, this is how to do it. Same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And now command which is not same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first, Windows 10 call run by pressing Windows key and R key and type MRT. It will call the Windows built-in security software or antivirus scan. So here you will have options to do full scan or just quick scan. As you can see on my computer, quick scan going really fast. So this is what you use if you are suspicious that your computer is infected with malicious software. It's even better on Windows 11, so let's see how to run this on Windows 11. Even this tool on Windows 11 is much more powerful than on Windows 10. It's a bit complicated to get into it. As you can see, if you call MRT from command prompt, it will say not recognized application. If you call same command from run command, same, Windows cannot find. So how to get into it? Quite simple, but not for many of us. Call search command, type security, call Windows security, and first thing in upper left is what you need. Here you will find all options you need for a quick scan, full scan, just read descriptions and everything else. And this tool is very powerful and will help you find malicious software on your computer. Also, in Windows 11 you can run this tool in offline mode. So if you choose Microsoft Defender offline scan, it will run with on your computer without being online. This was all for this video, but I have much more than this to tell you about both version of Windows. So if you like it and wanna see more, leave that in comment so I know that I have to make more videos like this. If there be no feedback, I will not continue with this type of videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you soon again.